Hello everybody. Yes, I know it's been a long time. I believe the last video I uploaded was in September. Yeah, shame on me. Well, I've been very busy. I don't know. Ever since this pandemic, everything has changed, so I'm more busy. And now that I have a pet, a puppy, it's been even worse busy. So it's like, I don't know. And not only that, the reason why I'm not uploading is because my computer that I have, oh my God, is so frustrating. It takes forever to upload. Like, for example, if I take too long in, making this video and it turns out to be like 40 minutes or whatever, and I have to edit it to 10 minutes, that's going to take me like 4 hours to edit just one video of 40 minutes. And that's how slow the computer is. Like, it's not full of anything, because I even emptied it to see maybe perhaps it's because I have too many things, but no. Yes, it just makes me like more down. Well, that's one of the reasons. And another reason is because sometimes I see some silly comments that really get to you. I know, I try to ignore it, and I'm gonna try to upload often, but I'm not making promises because it is a pain to edit. That's the most of my problems right now, because of the editing part. It takes me forever, and I have so many things to do that will take my like more than half a day. So yeah. Anyways, my friends, I apologize for the long time that it took me to upload a video, and I'm so sorry. I hope you don't take it personal. There's so many of you that are so wonderful with your comments, very nice comments. I really appreciate all of you, and I appreciate your support. And yes, like I said in my past videos, I only opened that channel was because my friend requested it and begged me to open it. Yeah, but she understands too why I don't upload too, because it's not easy, like dealing with comments that just makes you feel bad. I know I shouldn't let that get to me. I know that, and I will ignore it. And as soon as I see something like that, it will be deleted and the person will be blocked, because I don't appreciate people that just come, have nothing better to do but just put ugly, disrespectful comments. So I will block those people out. Anyways, too much blah blah. I just wanted to just do a quick video that I thought maybe, I don't know, maybe you already saw this recipe, I don't know, but this is just a simple easy cookie recipe that it has cornstarch, which is not that healthy, but you can use other sweetener to make it more healthier. So here I have one. Let's say I'm going to put a box of cornstarch. So that's a box of cornstarch. Usually you get those 400 and something grams, 400 and something grams of cornstarch, or it could be 500 grams of cornstarch, and then 80 grams of butter, and 1 can of condensed milk. So that's just an easy recipe, a cookie recipe that we're going to do. I don't know who came up with this, but yeah, it's really tasty. Okay, so in a bowl, you just put in all cornstarch, all the box. I'm trying to film with one hand, which is difficult. And then you're gonna add here the sweetened condensed milk here, and just add the whole can in there. And then we're gonna add the butter. Okay, so and then after that, we're just going to mix it up, and it will be mix until the dough comes out nice and smooth, like almost like a Play-Doh. Okay, so we're gonna drip all that, and if you want, scrape it all out too. But since I'm filming with one hand because my stand broke, yes, I've been having a hard time with everything, with camera, with my stand, and most important, my computer is giving me a headache. And then if you have children, maybe they want to lick it, but be careful, the edges are sharp. Okay, so next is the butter. Now we're gonna put 80 grams of butter, and you notice that I'm eyeballing. I'm not a measure person. I don't really measure stuff. So then we're going to mix all that up very well. All right. And then after, with your nice, beautiful, clean hands, you're going to mix. Okay. If you hear a crunching noise, that's my little puppy eating a bone. He's eating a bone. In the background, you'll probably hear it clearly. And also somebody working upstairs, kind of fixing up the washroom a bit. Okay, you see how smooth it looks? It looks nice and smooth. So I'm going to let it rest for 5 minutes, and then I'll be back to start forming the cookies. You can form it any shape you wish. I'll be back. All right, so it rested for 5 minutes. So just do a small bowl, any size you wish. And since it has butter, so it's kind of not going to stick on you, right? So just make small little balls. Just make the small balls and put it on the parchment paper here. Put it there. And we're going to just use a small spoon. I'm using a small spoon and just making balls. And then put it over here. And that's what I'm going to do. Okay, sorry if the camera looks like it's a bit moving too fast. It's because my little boy is trying to help me. So here we go. So over here I'm gonna align them up. Okay, so it's done. Now all I have to do is just use a fork or just flatten it out with anything like so, or crisscross, whichever way you feel you want to do it or decorate it. Just flatten it out a bit. Alright, so this will go in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until golden brown, and I will be back. And there you go. It's all ready, nice and beautiful. It's all golden and ready to serve. Or you can wait until it cools down because I'm not patient. I just crunch on them. And of course, I will let you hear it when it cracks, when I break it. I will break it so you all can see that it's like almost like a biscuit. You can have it with a cup of tea. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Comment below and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.